Introducing the APEXEL MS002 200X Professional Phone Microscope Lens, a powerful tool for anyone who loves exploring the micro world with the convenience of their smartphone. Perfect for plant, insect, and jewelry observation, this professional-grade lens offers a 200x magnification and multi-layer coating, allowing you to capture incredibly detailed photos and videos to share with family and friends. Key features: 200x magnification. Delve into the micro world with exceptional clarity, perfect for observing plants, insects, hair, and even appraising jewelry and jade. Broad compatibility. The adjustable clip fits various smartphones, 4 to 12mm thickness, and the lens position can be adjusted to suit different phone models, 26 to 39.5mm lens position, ensuring compatibility across a wide range of devices. Wide applications, ideal for everything from educational research to professional uses such as oil painting identification, antique appraisal, electronics testing, skin and hair quality testing, and more. Built-in LED fill light, equipped with a LED light that provides bright, uniform illumination with 2 adjustable brightness levels, making your micro images clearer and more vibrant. The 3.7V 110 mAh battery allows up to 4 hours of continuous use, rechargeable via USB. Portable and lightweight, weighing only 17.5 g, this fingertip-sized microscope lens is compact and easy to carry, making it convenient for use anywhere. Whether you're a student, researcher, or hobbyist, the APEXEL MS002 200X phone microscope lens makes exploring the details of the world around you easier than ever. Attach it to your phone and start capturing amazing close-up shots today.